You have this very handsome, let's just be honest and say beautiful face.
Johnny Depp's defamation court case against Amber Heard just hit another snafu after briefly being held up due to global events, only recently getting green light to go to trial. The new bump in the road is because Amber Heard's legal team, headed up to Roberta Kaplan, but also including John Quinn, Julie Fink, David Brooke, have quit. Roberta Kaplan is a well-known lawyer. She's associated with the Time's Up movement in Los Angeles and co-founded that movement's legal defense fund. However, the defamation case against Amber Heard isn't happening in Los Angeles. Amber Heard lawyers quit and exposed her lies. Per documents, Amber Heard signed off on and is fine with the change. Instead of being represented by Kaplan Hacker and Fink LL, she will switch to local counsel. The organization cited travel and logistics becoming more costly in light of the pandemic as the reasons for bowing out. Johnny Depp's defamation court case against Amber Heard just hit another snafu after briefly being held up due to global events, only recently getting the green light to go to trial. The new bump in the road is because Amber Heard's legal team, headed up by Roberta Kaplan, but also including John Quinn, Julie Fink, David Brooke, have quit. Roberta Kaplan is a well-known lawyer. She is associated with the Time's Up movement in Los Angeles and co-founded that movement's legal defense fund. However, the defamation case against Amber Heard isn't happening in Los Angeles. It's happening in Virginia, and Amber Heard will retain Virginia lawyers for the rest of the duration of the case. Per documents, Amber Heard signed off on and is fine with the change. Instead of being represented by Kaplan Hacker and Fink LL, she will switch to local counsel. The organization cited travels and logistics becoming more costly in light of the pandemic as the reasons for bowing out. Given airfare and hotel costs are seemingly at lows right now, that's an interesting comment from the firm, although we have no record of what Heard's finances are like or what the court case is costing both parties. In addition, given different states have different laws, it's not super unusual for people involved in a case to seek a counsel who is familiar with the penal code in a particular state. Still, Johnny Depp's attorney has thrown some shade on the matter, with Adam Waldman telling The Blast. This court case is separate from the one Johnny Depp filed against UK news outlet The Sun parent company, which came about after an article from the well-known tabloid referred to the actor as a wife-beater. Both court cases are still ongoing, and some famous names have gotten embroiled in the story, including Winona Ryder, who has defended Depp. Meanwhile, all of this is coming after the couple divorced in 2017 after a tumultuous marriage that had only lasted a couple of years and involved accusations from both sides. The last thing we learned about the defamation case between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard was that Depp's team was seeking to determine whether Amber Heard had actually allotted to donate all the money to charity from the proceeds of her divorce from Johnny Depp, as she previously said she did. It was reported prior that Heard had donated between $1 and $5 million to Children's Hospital in Los Angeles in 2017, along with several other charities as part of a personal vow to donate her $7 million divorce settlement. Johnny Depp's joining the 21st century, in a move that mainstay actors Tom Cruise and Jennifer Aniston also made in recent years. Johnny Depp has headed to social media, and he is now a part of the large online community making up Instagram. The move comes as Johnny Depp has worked to change his image in the wake of financial troubles and accusations made by his now ex-wife Amber Heard. Depp's first post on social media service was a look at himself in overalls as he put together a video with musician Jeff Beck he ultimately shared over the weekend. Depp is using his social media platform to face the music, as it were. This and other TC posts indicated Johnny Depp was working on a project in isolation, but that turns out to be a song called Isolation. You can also check out the full song with Jeff Beck on his Instagram page. Meanwhile, social media is great with connecting with the fans, And that's something that makes sense for Johnny Depp and his image right now. The actor is currently embroiled in a legal drama with Amber Heard that has taken to the courts. One suit in particular is a defamation suit that Depp's legal team filed after Amber Heard wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post alleging domestic abuse. A second suit again, the Sun regarding libel, is also underway after that outlet made claims regarding Johnny Depp and his role in the Fantastic Beasts franchise, calling him a wife-beater in one article. In the suit, Johnny Depp's lawyer have mentioned that Amber Heard's allegation had an impact on his career. The Pirates of the Caribbean franchise has moved on from Captain Jack Sparrow, for example, although Depp is still playing Grindelwald in the Fantastic Beasts movies. Over at Warner Brothers, Disney has not officially commented on the matter. He was also expected to be part of the Dark Universe franchise, but that was shuttered after The Mummy did not do particularly well at the box office. Elizabeth Moss ultimately replaced the actor in The Invisible Man in a much lower budget format. Meanwhile, some actors have spoken out in defense of Johnny Depp, including former co-stars like Javier Bardem and Penelope Cruz. He also spoke out about a graphic finger injury he says occurred because Amber Heard was drunk and throwing liquor at him. In light of some of his information, some fans have been encouraging toward the actor online. We'll have to wait and see what Johnny Depp brings to the social media next, amidst all of the stuff going on in his personal life. As far as his career goes, Fantastic Beasts 3 was expected to finally begin filming this spring, but that is among of the many movie projects currently on hold. The movie is currently still holding on November 12, 2021 theatrical release slot, with David Yates on board to direct. The DC Extended Universe is an ever-growing place, which is known for keeping the movie-going audience on their collective toes. Conversations surrounding Zack Snyder's Justice League aren't slowing down anytime soon, but there are a number of highly anticipated projects coming down the line. This includes James Wan's Aquaman 2, and actress Amber Heard has been teasing her return as Mera, and now she's revealed her favorite aspect of that character. Amber Heard debuted as Mera in the theatrical cut of Justice League, before her role was greatly expanded in Aquaman. While Heard recently reprised her role for Snyder's Cut reshoots, she's also been hyping up Aquaman 2. Well, there you have it. While having superpowers and the major blockbusters is a dream job for many, it seems that Amber Heard is particularly proud of how Mera has inspired audiences, specifically young women. As Amber Heard shared her 3.9 million followers, she has come into contact with a number of fans who identify with her signature Aquaman character. Mera recently got some new screen time thanks to Zack Snyder's Justice League.